Hello and welcome from AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Recent finalists at the Auto Trader Retailer Awards 2022 for customer experience, going second across 13,500 dealerships nationwide, and shortlisted to go to the awards ceremony with just 54 other dealers. We wear the badge with pride, and you can speak to us and buy from us in confidence, knowing that you're in safe hands. Today, we're looking round this stunning piece of machinery we have here. This is the 2017 3-litre V6 diesel XJL Autobiography, and it is simply superb. It's stunning, it's got all the specification, and is a fantastic example of a Jaguar. I'm going to start with this paintwork. You can see that just glistening in the lights there. It's absolutely stunning. Absolutely beautiful. And with it being the Autobiography, we're at the top end of the Jaguar range, and we have a hell of a specification to share with you as well. So I'm just going to walk round to the driver's side here, and we'll start with the keyless entry. We have a stunning contrast with the paintwork, with the ivory leather upholstery. And we don't need to go far to see some more specification, including the 3-stage electric memory front seats and the Meridian reference surround sound system. These seats are not only heated, but ventilated and have the massage function. And of course, a sliding glass panoramic sunroof. It's simply gorgeous. Now, if I just close this door slowly here, we also have the soft closed doors function. Hopefully you can see that paint glistening again. And if we're showing to the rear of the vehicle, it is the long wheelbase. Any passengers in the rear have absolutely loads of space, as well as the rear seat entertainment. The car does have the digital TV receiver, 2 sets of headphones and the remote control. And the rear seats have also got the heated function, the ventilation function, the massage function. This car just screams comfort. Backed up with full Jaguar service history. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to get closer to that paint again to see the finish on that. And I say from this side, if I just drop the rear centre armrest, we can see we have all the functionality here. Luxury headrests. What more can I say? Absolutely beautiful. So I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that it's been useful. This car will certainly not disappoint, and we look forward to speaking to you soon to see if we can do some business.